Welcome to my happy home, where I bring you DIYs, hauls, home decor, thrifting and much more on a budget. If you're interested in these types of videos, then please like, comment and subscribe. Hi friends and welcome back, and if you're stopping by for the first time, welcome to my happy home. First of all, you guys, I hope that everyone is doing okay and that you are all safe during this time of crisis. I know that this coronavirus has caught us all off guard, and I hope that you are all finding ways to cope with it and again to stay safe. Now, since spring has sprung, it is time to start spring cleaning and decorating. In this video, I am sharing with you how I have my coffee station set up for this season. Now, as you can see, I don't have a lot of space to work with, so it's always a challenge for me. And I am keeping it very simple, not too much going on, keeping my most essential items for my coffee here. And I'm adding these super cute gold chevron patterned straws. And I recently did a haul on some Easter decor that I picked up, and this bunny was one of it, and I decided to add this bling wrap that I had to give it more sparkle. Last weekend I picked up this super cute votive candle holder while thrifting, and I had some of these boxwood sprigs lying around, and I thought I would create a simple and fresh looking greenery arrangement. I think these are so cute during this spring season. When I think of spring, I think of winter coming to an end and nature looking bare, arid, or even that really coming back to life. And adding greenery to my decor really reminds me of new fresh leaves and nature being reborn.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that
I absolutely love chocolate eggs, and they come in a variety of flavors and colors. And what I did is I separated the gold and the pinks from the rest of the colors to make them look more cohesive with my decor.
impossible, possible. And we'll dream impossible.
This video is part of a collaboration that is hosted by my two beautiful sisters, Kimberly and Kenya. Now, I am sure that you are all familiar with their channels, but in case that you're not, I will link both their channels in my description box below. Now, there is a playlist for this collaboration, which I will also link below, so you make sure you check out all the other participants. And we have already come to the end of this video. I will be sharing a separate video on how I decorated my kitchen for the spring season. So if you're not a subscriber yet, I would totally love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home so you don't miss any of my videos. So for now, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next one really soon. Until then, always remember to live, laugh and love, and stay safe. Bye.